Stop by and take a look at the 2016 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, air conditioning, chrome mirror caps, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.